besties. It is pretty early. It's Sunday morning and we are headed to Seattle today for my first full week in my corporate jobs. For those of you that are new here, I have been promoted at my corporate job and this is my first full week. So we are headed to Seattle today. Hopefully, fingers crossed. The weather was really bad in Dallas last night, so literally that just affects everything when flights get canceled and delays and all the things. For those of you that are new here, I fly standby as a flight attendant, so I literally may not get on a flight today. So we'll see. I'll take you guys along with me. Hopefully we can get on a flight because I have a meeting tomorrow morning at the office. So 2 full checked bags of clothes that I'm not gonna need here in Texas for the next few months. So we're moving, but we're not moving until the fall. So I'm just slowly starting to take like loads of mostly clothes with me. Winter, fall things I'm not gonna need. It's hot in Texas. All I need is swimsuits, shorts, tank tops, t-shirts, all the things. So I've got 2 checked bags coming with me. We're headed to the Pacific Northwest today. We've got Seattle on the agenda all next week, and then we end up in Portland towards the end of the week. Mike will join me in the week following, and we are going to be apartment hunting, you guys. It's literally insane. So I can't believe it. I need to pick a few places for us to go and tour next Monday. We are on our way. First week as a corporate girly. Here we go. Goodness. Hello! You are tiny! You are too cute. Dolly! Look at that face. No wonder you couldn't say no.
Right. Supposed to be sitting down.
Oh, you want to be up here? Oh, okay.
Aren't you the cutest little baby there ever was? Yes.
Made it to Seattle by some literal miracle, and I'm at my parents' house now. It is literally the most perfect weather right now. It's hot and sunny, clear blue skies, and we have a new little family member. Dolly, come here. Dolly! How cute is she? You're silly. You're a silly girl. I am so in love with her. Go, Dolly, go. Come here. You don't want to come here? You don't want to come here? You want to lay in the shade? Came home to a new puppy in the family. I'm so excited. She's so cute. We've been wanting to add a dog for quite some time. So we lost our family dog 2 years ago now. I think it's been 2 years. And now we have Dolly, and she's so cute. We're gonna go to happy hour and see how Dolly does. I don't know. It's gonna be her first real outing in public, so we'll see how it goes. Oh my gosh, you guys. So we just got back. We were supposed to go to happy hour, but we were driving towards the restaurant and the road was like blocked off from like, it looked like a farmer's market, but it was like a little summer festival. There was like live music and a beer garden and like taco trucks and burger trucks and all the things. We took Dolly. She did really good. It was her first like outing ever, and it was like a lot going on. So she did so good. And my dad actually knew the guys that were performing, so that was kind of fun. So we stayed for like their last few songs because we got there at like 6 something and they played till 7. So super fun. Everybody was just like up and dancing, and like it just was all the good vibes. Best summer vibes ever. We are back at the house now. I'm gonna change into some comfy clothes and have a glass of wine with my dad outside and just hang out. So I'm gonna take a nice hot bubble bath tonight, go to bed early, and then we're up bright and early for our first full day as a corporate girly tomorrow.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Get up here! Come on! You have to have help?
Oh, sucker. Oh my gosh. Currently at BJ's Restaurant and Brew House. I took myself to lunch because it was an early morning and I was so hungry. I took myself to a working lunch. And fun fact about this BJ's, actually, I used to work at this one when it first opened. We are booked and busy and Mondays are always so insane. So I'm like sending emails, trying to catch up. I booked the hotel, all the things. There is a shopping center across from me, so I'm very tempted to partake in a little break after these emails I send. I'm gonna send a few more emails, see if I can wrap up this project now so we can see what the town center has for us. Back at the house now. I am just finishing up a few other projects, kind of wrapping up my day now. I am so ready to pour a glass of wine, and I have a pretty fun event tomorrow, so I'm trying to mentally get ready for that. Of course, I'll be taking you guys with me because it's going to be so fun, but finishing up a few emails and then some of like other random admin things. So it's 5 o'clock, so I do think I am gonna sign off for the day. I want to make a list of apartments that Mike and I should go look at next week. That way I just have like a little bit more of a plan. Want to get a few of those ready to go. So we'll be downtown all day tomorrow. I also kind of want to unpack the suitcases that I brought. Finishing up some stuff now and gonna pour my glass of wine. Wind down for the evening. Poured myself a fat glass of wine, you guys. It just send the last email of the day. Another day, another corporate girly sleigh. We are parked in front of Lumen Field, which is a stadium for the Seahawks. I have been go all morning on my second coffee because it has been insane today already. We had meetings at the office at 8 and now I am at the event. So I'm headed into the stadium now. Should be a fun event. So I'm actually excited for it. So it's literally a beautiful day. Headed into the stadium now for the event because I'm obviously running late. I just stop and get gas, get a coffee, all the things. It is literally the most gorgeous day in Seattle right now. So we're headed into Lumen Field. If you guys have seen Severance, I always say that this is, it is Lumen, so. Good morning, you guys. It is early Wednesday morning and we are up and at 'em yet again. I am so tired today. This week has just been a lot of early mornings. I've been super busy and it's just been go. So I am like dragging today, but we are at a golf tournament. So we are sponsoring this morning. I'm here. I'm going to go set up our little table that we have for the morning beverages. And the theme is Rhinestone Rodeo. So I'm literally wearing a glittery blazer that I have worn in Paris before. I love this blazer. It's so fun. And I don't get to wear it very often because I usually only wear it during the holiday season. Yesterday was so fun. That event was like such a cool experience. We toured 4 different places in Seattle, and what's so cool about tours like that, tour is given by a lot of the architects and the building property managers and people that have overseen the projects and have worked on these projects for the last couple years. The ferry terminal, you guys, looks so good. And it took him 12 years. Like the architect that was talking yesterday was saying that he's been working on that project for 12 years, which is insane. They talked about the fact that they had to fully keep that operational while they were fixing it and redoing it completely. So that's just so crazy. Between all the codes and not messing with, there's like a fish season that you can't like be in the water and be doing construction because it messes with the environment. It's just so many things. And the Populous Hotel is stunning. Literally have a rooftop bar, which was so fun. They would pull the trains in and unload the trains, and now it's a beautiful hotel. Like, it's just so cool. Lumen Field, they're getting ready for the 2026 World Cup. I had the best time and I was so glad that I went. We just got done with our morning beverage sponsorship and this course is literally so beautiful. I don't want to leave. We have other things to do. I've got so many emails to send today, but it's such a good day and it's so beautiful out. I'm packed up. I am going to head out and get some stuff done today. We leave for Portland tomorrow, so I am needing to like pack and get ready for that. I'll be in Portland on Friday for some more golf, so super excited and it'll be fun, but so busy this week. I am still so tired. I would love to just take a nap right now. Oh my gosh, but the show must go on. We have secured the crumble cookie and they're always such a good treat for our clients. So I'm gonna head to our first client, go drop these off. Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday and I just finished up some of the follow-up emails from earlier this week. Summer I Turned Pretty came out yesterday, so I'm trying to catch up on that. I wanted to start it over from the beginning because it just did not hurt me enough the first time, I guess. So I'm preparing for the new season that just came out, and we are headed to Portland today. So I am actually going to pack up the truck now because we're pretty much almost ready to go. I finished some of the projects that I needed to do this morning, all the follow-ups from the events that we did this week. And then we're headed to Portland, so we have golf in the morning. It's about a 3-hour drive, just depending on traffic. It can obviously be more, so I'm hoping that is not the case because I kind of want to get in and relax tonight, and we're up bright and early for golf in the morning, so it's wild, but it's fun, very busy. Mike will roll in on Saturday, so we're not sure what time, but I'm excited for him to get here, and I started lining up some apartments and things to go look at this coming week, so I'm really excited for that. My hair is literally crazy. It's so hot. I am sweating. We're gonna load up the truck and head to Oregon. We are up and at 'em early. I was gonna show you guys this hotel, but we have been here before. We're at the Benson and we got in late last night, leaving early this morning, so nothing super exciting. Just a green skirt. I thrifted this one from Uptown Cheapskate. It's the Prince tennis brand, and then obviously my work shirt and my Hokas are headed to the golf course. I'm gonna do my makeup in the car. It is early, but it's Friday. Yay!